Welcome back to our channel Quick Learning. So now our topic of presentation is how to write a business plan writing. This is our fourth part in creating a business. So in my previous videos I told you how to start a business and how to run a business, then what are the growth strategies of a business. Now I will tell you about how to write a business plan. So it will help you in your career point of view, your academic point of view, and if you are applying for a job or a CV or for a career. This is a worldwide topic that will help you in your future. So what is the aim of today's seminar? So I will tell you how to and I will provide you a clear understanding of the purpose of a business plan and what it should contain to ensure that your businesses are heading somewhere you want them to go. So what is a business plan? So basically it is a document that thoroughly explains a business idea and how it will be carried out, and the story of what the business is and it what will be. So you have to tell that what will be your business in present and in future. Then all the cost and marketing plan are included in your business plan. Then description of financing. So two types of financing, equity and debt. So this is a separate topic. I will make a video on this, but in your business plan you should mention about your financing. Then estimate of projected earnings. These are the things. Then what is the purpose of business plan? So basically to test the commercial viability of your business idea on paper, and to clarify your thinking, to maintain your focus, to review your progress, and to present to potential lenders, investors to raise finance. So basically in order to make a business plan, suppose you want a loan, so you can apply to a bank or any investor or any company. So you have to write a proper business plan. Then business plan components. So first of all it will include cover page, then table of contents, then executive summary, then business description, company description, opportunity analysis, marketing strategy and plan, human resource management and operations, financial analysis and projections, funding request, exit strategy. So these are the things that your business plan should have. So I think all of these are very easy to understand, but if you have any query then kindly comment me. I will tell you in a reply if this is a short answer, or if you want to make a video, then I will make a video on this topic separately. So and appendices. Then there's like this is a sample and how your cover page and table of contents should be. Like first is your cover page, then your table of contents. So in your cover page it should include the name of your business, like you want to make a business of some food related product or any product. So you have to write the name of the business in a cover page. Then name of the principals. Principal means you, the owners, and who are making the business plan. Then date and contact information of all the principals, and confidentially statement. But what will be your statement that will attract your future investors? And in your table of contents it should include enough detail to easily find a section. You can't put your like table of contents should have numbering, like you put your introduction, so it should include page number 2, page number 3, so that if somebody wants to see a particular topics, suppose financing, okay, and financing is in page 50, so you can't go through all the document, so you have to put number, then your investor or your professor click that page and go to finance section. Then avoid excessive detail with uses too many pages. Then executive summary. So executive summary should be clear and identify concept and purpose. Then concise, 1 to 2 pages long enough. Then comprehensive, answer basic who, what, when, where and how questions. And compelling, like it should generate interest. So this executive summary should include these four types. And last one is be positive. No, if or we could. You shouldn't use if or we could or we should. Okay? You tell we will. Okay? And last one written at the last. Then business description. So it should include the name and what it does. Then what is your type of your business. Then your objectives. Your objectives should be smart. Okay. And then reasons of setting up, why you are setting this business. Then what is the background of your business, history, experiences, and what are the products and the services that you will provide to your customer. Again, business description, it should have a vision, like broad picture of what you want your organization to become, and mission, concise communication of strategy with a business definition and competitive advantage expressed in a statement. So these two are the terms. Many people mix them and confuse them. These are two different things. Vision, your business has a vision and a mission. Vision means the broad picture, that what you want to become in a future. But mission is, it's like what is your competitive advantage, and what is your you can say USP that is different from other. What is your positioning? Okay. Then culture. So it should include your beliefs, values, and behavior norms of the organization, which will form the business environment. Then company description. So if a company is already established, summary of company's founding, overview of track record, business progress, and financial success. If I start a venture, so brief background story, what has been done so far and why, and legal form of the business. So if your company is already established, then these two, and if it is a startup, then these three. Then opportunity analysis. So it should include the environmental analysis like pest, like political, economic, social, and technological factors should include in environmental analysis. Then how behavior, community, region, nation, and the world relates to the business. Then industrial analysis like SWOT, like is your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. What is the definition, size, growth, decline of the industry. So the environmental analysis and the industrial analysis are two most important factor from your exam point of view and from your business point of view too. Then proof of the markets like and matrices, like evidence of opportunity in terms of dollars and units. So marketing strategy, it should include your USP. USP means unique selling proposition, that what is the uniqueness in your products and in your services. It should be sales focused, and your USP, unique selling benefit, customer related, service focused. So if you are giving a product, so obviously you want more sale, and if you are providing a service to a customer, so you are more service focused. Then your market research, who your customers will be, your competition, your price, and why, and how will your customers find out about you, who will supply you or who are your suppliers, and how big is the market potential growth. Then what will be your share market, what will be your growth ratio, etc. Then management and operations. So the management team and employees, physical locations of facilities with emphasis on logistics and workforce, production processes, inventory control systems, research and development, quality assurance method. Then financial analysis and projections. So it will use the what are your sources and the uses of your capital. Are your capital is from debt or equity? Then cash flow projections, that what are your cash flow in cash ingoing and cash outgoing. Like cash flow statement shows cash receipts less cash distributions over a time period. Then balance sheet, like this is a very common equation, like assets should be equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So in your financial analysis, all these three things should include in your business writing. Then financial analysis and projections also should have income statements for 3 years, like what are your income, also called profit and loss statements. Then summarize income and expense activity, break even analysis, financial ratio analysis, Risk and assumption. I assume that you know all these factors of what is break-even analysis, income statement, cash flow statement, financial ratio analysis. If not, then you will comment me and I will tell you in your comment section, or I will make a separate video. So basically these are related to financial management, and I will make a separate topic on these things. If anyone interested, that kindly tell me. Then funding request and access strategy. So this is the last thing. So how much amounts of funds you needed. Obviously your investor is interested in how much amount of fund or money you want from them. Okay. Then type of financing, including terms, propose exit scenarios such as buyout plan, initial public offering, selling options. So what will be your exit strategy? And this is a very important for MCQ point of view too. If you are planning for your exam, then exit strategy, these are buyout plan, IPO, selling options, and succession plan. These are the things that is very important from exam point of view. Then appendices, so like management resumes, specification, photos, diagrams of your products and packaging, advertising and promotional schemes, detailed financial projections, other supportive material. These are. So now presenting the business plan. So the presentations may be formal or informal. Okay, and it should be limited between 5 and 20 minutes. Prepare an elevator pitch, that will be 5 to 30 second elevator pitch. The starting pitch or the ending pitch, it can be in the start or end. How you pitch your product to your investor or your professor, why they buy your product or why they invest in your company. Okay, then multimedia formats work well in formal situations. Then business plan competitions and may provide cash prices and access to capital. So what to do and what to avoid. So remember that your investors or your professors look at the people, not ideas. They will look at your personalities, how you communicate, how you present, what are your content, what are the visual presentations of your dressing, of your looks, and of your presentations. Okay, and the document that you give them. Then get someone else to read it. Tailor your plan to the need. Get help if needed, and clear priorities and be concise. And what should you avoid? Being vague, like oh, avoid. Total no. Then overestimating sales, poor spelling, poor grammar, underestimating startup cost, and overestimating turnover and profits. Okay, like end. This is the summary. Contents of your business plan should have the business details, business aims and objectives, market information like size, growth, competitors, SWOT analysis and competitive advantage, detail of the customers, marketing strategy, what in marketing mix, etc. Marketing, I make a separate video on a marketing mix. You will find it in my channel. So kindly go and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. And then premises and equipment needs, key people, functions and background, financial highlights like turnover, profit, break-even, funding, etc. Then detailed profit forecast and detailed cash flow forecast. So this is a summary of the business. That's all from my side. If you have any question, then kindly comment me and kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share with your fellows. It will help me a lot. Thank you so much.